Alright friends, it's Jess versus Slots. Mike is playing Bao Zhu Zhao Fu and he just got a bonus with ultra spins and extra spins. So let's see how he does. Go for it, babe. Last time I taped one of his bonuses, he got a hand pay, so we'll see what happens with this one. You all should go back and watch that one. It's on Buffalo Stampede. The 10-cent Dino. Alright, Bird, you gotta make them bigger than that. We need some words. Come on now. Alright, increase it by $12.50. That I like to see. Do some more of that. Alright, come on, Bird, come back. There we go. Alright, $2.50. That's not enough, Bird. Alright, $7.50. That's a little better. Sorry if there's some rocking going on, guys. This ship is really rocking. Come on, Bird. Is that the last spin? Oh, no. Oh, well, I mean, it wasn't great, but it wasn't terrible. Not like a little over 50 bucks, $60. It could have been better, definitely. All right, everyone. Bye for now.